Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing a daily clean with me routine. I'm just going to be showing you everything that I try, emphasis on try, to get done every single day with 2 young kids. I've also filmed a weekly cleaning routine as well as my monthly cleaning routine, so those will be up later this week, so make sure you come back to check those out. So let's go ahead and jump on into the video, but first, if you are new, I would love if you would subscribe and comment down below letting me know if you are new. That way I can come down and personally welcome you to the little family that we have going on over here. So the very first thing I do each day is make the beds. This right here is my son's room. I'm just gonna be making his bed up. Usually he does it, but today I'm going to. And then just tidy up his room just a little bit. I'm not gonna be doing any cleaning, just kind of tidying and putting things back where they belong. Okay, so next up is my daughter's room. I'm just gonna be putting her crib back together. She throws every single thing out. I don't even know why I put things in her crib to begin with, but I'm just gonna be putting that back together and then tidying up her room a little bit as well. Okay, next up we're just gonna straighten up the playroom a bit. I have my son, and I try to get my daughter too as well, clean up their toys after they're done with them, but I'm just gonna go back and kind of push the bins in a little bit more and straighten up the chairs. I have a weekly cleaning routine coming up later this week for you guys, so in that video I will go more in depth of what I do for the bathrooms as far as cleaning and sanitizing, but for just a day-to-day basis I pretty much just go in and make sure the toilet paper and soap, things like that, are stocked and make sure it's not too crazy, especially in the kids' bathrooms. Sometimes they can get a little bit out of hand in there. So next up is gonna be mine and my husband's bedroom. Oh, there's a kitty hiding right there. But if you have watched my videos before and you've seen me clean my bedroom, then you know why I am so excited right now, and that is because I finally got one piece of bedding. That's pretty much all I got, but I think it's called a coverlet, so I don't have just a sheet on my bed anymore. I actually have something to go on top of that now. So I was too cheap to buy pillows to go along with my whole bedding set, so I actually just stole the ones from my couch upstairs in the guest bedroom off of there and brought them down here to use in the meantime until I feel like actually purchasing some of my own and not stealing others around the house. So as you can see, the majority of the pillows are pink. My husband is not pleased about that, but he's just gonna have to make do for now. The next thing I'm going to be doing is straightening up my husband's side of the bed and his nightstand, mainly because that's the one you see when you walk in the room, so I don't really care about mine because nobody can see it. And then the next step is actually really important for me. It is to spray room spray all over the bed and all the linens and like couches, and then light candles in each room so that it smells really fresh and inviting. All right, ignore that right there. I'll get to that in a second. But this is a space that is my number one priority each day, because if somebody is to come to our front door, whether it be the mailman or whoever, this is the space that they see. So I want to keep this space looking clean. That way, maybe they think that the rest of my house is as clean as this space. I got really hot and had to change my shirt. This is actually my husband's, and if you look at the front of it, it says not single. I got it for him last year for Christmas. So you guys have met Everly before, and as you know, she is the one in the house who just tears everything apart. So this is a box, and then that huge Target bag. They're actually filled with clothes for Goodwill that I had stacked up there that she went in and just completely destroyed. So I'm gonna clean up after her, and I don't know how Spoon got there. She just finds things and collects them pretty much anywhere she wants to. And here we have Everly making an appearance and showing you her very favorite thing to do, which is tearing up everything I just cleaned. So I'm just gonna clean that once again, and then we're gonna go to the next room. So as far as vacuuming on a day-to-day basis, I just do the high traffic areas like the front entrance, the kitchen, and the living room. Mainly the hardwood areas that you can see dirt really easily from. Okay, next we are going to scoot on over to the kitchen, and like I said, I just love having candles to smell while I am cleaning, but especially in the kitchen because the kitchen is my least favorite area to clean. So I feel like having the candle that smells really good kind of motivates me to keep on cleaning when I want to stop. So during the day, I pretty much just let this kitchen get however it's gonna get, and then I will clean it once at the end of the day. And what I'll do is just clean off that bar top and then go ahead and wipe that down and clean that, and then do a load of dishes. Okay, this is the peppermint scent from Mrs. Meyer's for their holiday collection, and I am so in love with it, so I'm just gonna spray off my whole counter with this and just wipe it off for the day. These bar stools tend to get really dirty just with food and stuff like that that spills onto them, so I'm just gonna wipe them off. I do this every single day. If I don't, I will definitely regret it. And then each day I try really hard to do at least one load of laundry. There's some days where I'm on it and I'll do like 10 loads throughout the day, and then there's other days where I just don't even look at the laundry and I do absolutely none. But I try to shoot for at least one load a day just to kind of keep an even balance there. And like I said before, I'm just gonna vacuum the higher traffic areas. This is definitely one of them. Food and crumbs get all over the floor right here because we eat at the bar way more than we eat at the actual table. So I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum this stuff up real quick. So I definitely do not mop every single day, but when I see little places on the floor that kind of need a little touch up here and there, I love this method squirt and mop. I literally just squirt it on the floor and then mop it up exactly like it says. So it comes in handy and it's so convenient. Okay, next on my daily list is this freaking coffee table, which gets so messy, like little fingerprints, little crumbs, everything. It is horrible. This space right here, right after that kitchen area, is definitely the messiest in the house. So I am gonna go ahead and do a little spot mop right here in this section, just because it definitely needs to be done at the end of the day when there's all the crumbs and stuff after I've vacuumed. Okay, next, I always straighten the pillows at the end of the day, especially right before my husband comes home. I just love the look of it. I feel like it makes the living room look so much more put together, even though it's just a couple pillows. And then my very last task for the day is this bathroom. Again, yes, I know I'm still being really messy with it and leaving all my stuff out, but I'm actually doing a really fun collaboration with another YouTuber for a Dollar Tree Organize With Me. So I'm gonna be tackling these bathroom counters and drawers and probably the kitchen as well. So stay tuned for that. It's coming up next week. Okay, that is all for my daily cleaning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, be sure to subscribe if you're new, and also to check back later this week and next week for those videos I mentioned. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.